Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Chi Makeover, and today I'm so happy because we are going to do something very special. Today's tutorial is about a traditional marriage decoration, and I know you guys have been waiting for this tutorial. Yes, so without wasting much of your time, I'll just show you the basic things needed for these tutorials. While there are other props you can rent if you don't want to buy, but don't be scared. Like, you can buy them bit by bit. Before you know, you have all the materials to yourself. So first of all, we are going to start with the basic thing you need for this decoration, which is the scissors. And I think I have one here. This is my scissors. Another thing that is very important is my hammer. This hammer, I will need nails for it. So I have hammer and I have my nails. Then this is rope, or some people call it twine. It's very important for the decoration work. These things are essentials. You need to buy them. And this is a tackle gun. Like, this is a lifesaver. This tackle gun is very important, and it's very cheap, affordable. You can get it in a stationery shop or in a bookshop. Just tell them you want to buy tackle gun. So this gun, don't worry, when we get into the field, you just see how to use it. It will just explain itself. Another thing you need now is the pin. This pin is very important. You use it to pin stuffs in the decoration. You use it to pin your cloth, your curtains. You use it for pinning it. And another very important thing you need too as well is your matte flower. Like, this is very cheap. This big matte flower now, it's 2,000 naira. So you know how many you'll be needing when we go into the field to start working. That would be enough for a bridal tent. So guys, let's go straight into the field and just enjoy the tutorial. This is our bridal tent. We're going to be arranging it. This is very easy. You can just tell your welder to construct one for you. It's just like a normal tent, like this one up here, but the difference is that it doesn't have this tarpaulin, and it doesn't have this pointed edge. It's just flat like this. So you can just tell a welder to construct one for you and you're good to go. Right now we are trying to put the rope on the bridal tent. So this rope will be installing some flowers on it. So it's just very easy. We just put the rope from top to the edge, from the top to the end, and just very easy. And you tie. This is twine. It's sold 100 naira in the market. It's very cheap. Just your normal twine. You can see this is it. That's what we used to do the setup. So just watch the magic that we're going to create here. And they are using the paints to
just never had it. Now see one here again. I put one for you. No, for the middle. No, not the suit, man. Not to the suit onto the floor. Sorry.
So they are using this pin it's called a tackle pin. Using it to just make sure that the cloth is spread on top neatly.
You stretch, see, you stretch so that it not go fall for the middle.
They're putting a tarpaulin on top just to further secure it. Like, this tarpaulin will help even when rain is falling, it wouldn't fall on the bride. So guys, I later removed the tarpaulin. I think it was spoiling our handwork, so I just removed it just to make the work better. So we have Prince here. He's doing this draping things. I beg Prince, can you not be here in our church? Oh, kwa YouTube ki naga kita. Now she go to church first. That's We're using the tackle pin I forgot I was doing videos. We actually need to do the installation of the mat. Yes. So it's just very easy to use. I just placed my board at the back of the tent already then. Wait, to make it day on. Wait, hold on.
Eba she pause your video.
No. Yeah. So just if you don't know how to use the taco pin, just watch how it's going to install it now. Like, just watch him. Yes, that's it. You just shoot it like a gun. Babe, I don't like that thing. Go first finish the green flower first. I don't like this one.
Green flower. This one is
This type, that plain green one. I don't like this one.
This one be plain green. No.
This type.
This one.
But the one will be pure leaf. Wait, not be.
Now.
You go there for the sacks now, not the flowers from here. So that's how you just do all the installations just with the taco pin. So today we want to do pure full greenery, like everything should be green here.
For those who want 3 baskets, maybe they say no. 1, 3 like this, 3 like this. Really small one.
No, they joined together.
That's up to that one.
And now they tell you now. He gum the next one. Don't mind also, we are talking in this tutorial. That's how this work is, so it's not English. Mr. Personally. I for say more na put more leaves since that na the final one. More of these green leaves since that na the final place where you want. So this one is called a gallant flower. Gallant. It's usually long. So this gallant flower, we put a rope at the back. We tie the rope straight like this at the back. My cherry blossom. Yeah. This is coming out very, very well as planned. Very, very well. Like my dropping cherry blossoms. just going to be here. It's just very easy. I'll tie the cherry blossom with my twine. I'll tie it. After tying it, then I'll come up here and tie it to the rope I tied earlier. I remember that rope we tied earlier before. So that's it. Then I'll make sure I spread my cherry blossom very well. So we are here at Decor, setting up for a traditional marriage. So this is work in progress.
Avalada.